Today we're going to show you how to assemble one of our floor standing displays. Begin by unboxing the display from the shipper box. Inside you'll find one base, 4 orange shelves labeled 1 through 4, some shelves may have trays, 10 locking pieces, 1 divider and 1 divider support, and the back panel. Unfold the divider. Add support piece inside divider, then fold in half vertically. Make sure to align the slots on both support and divider. Now, working from the bottom up, insert shelves number 4 through 1. Please note, the shelves are not interchangeable, so make sure to follow the correct order. Once the shelves are installed, place the divider face down so the backs of the shelves are facing up. Unfold the back panel completely. Line up the middle 2 columns of slots in the back panel with the backs of the shelves and press down, allowing the shelves to go through the slots. Unfold the base and place face down. Slide underneath the back panel and insert 2 tabs into the remaining slots on the back panel. Then fold the remaining side panels up and press the back panel of each shelf through the slots. Once the back panel is in place, fold the top cover closed. Insert the 10 small locking pieces into the slots in the shelves to secure everything in place. Peel back the glue strips on both the top and sides of the base. Fold and tuck flaps on both front and sides under shelf 4 to secure it in place. Your display is now fully assembled. Load it up with products and refer to the sell sheet to ensure correct placement.